On-screen text, can you get TinyTask on Mac? Narrator, if you use a Mac and you've seen TinyTask for Windows, you might wonder, can you get it on macOS? Narrator, TinyTask is a tiny Windows app that records your mouse and keyboard, then plays them back to automate repetitive tasks. Narrator, but here's the catch, TinyTask is made only for Windows. There's no official Mac version and no .dmg download from the developer. Narrator, so you can't run TinyTask natively on macOS like a regular app. On-screen text, no native Mac app. Narrator, you might see people using emulators or virtual machines to run Windows on a Mac. Narrator, that can work, but it's more complex, uses more resources, and isn't ideal just to run TinyTask. Narrator, instead, Mac users have better, built-in options for simple automation. On-screen text, better options on Mac. Narrator, first, there's the built-in Shortcuts app on macOS. It lets you chain actions together without any coding. Narrator, you can also use Automator for more advanced workflows, like renaming files or converting images in bulk. Narrator, if you really need TinyTask-style mouse recording, look at third-party Mac tools like keyboard and mouse macro recorders. Narrator, they're not TinyTask, but they give you similar automation without installing Windows. Narrator, so no, TinyTask doesn't run natively on Mac. But with Shortcuts, Automator, or a Mac macro app, you can still automate your everyday tasks. On-screen text, answer, no native TinyTask on Mac. Try Mac automation tools instead.